Today we're going to be cutting off my Duramax exhaust and replacing it with something a whole lot better and a whole lot nicer. Watch until the end of the video to figure out what it is and where you can get your own, and feel free to subscribe. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're doing something else pretty cool to the Duramax today, and it's going to really kind of tie everything together that I've gotten done with the exhaust. As you guys know, I do have some exhaust work done on the truck, and definitely need to complete that. Most people don't know that I've got anything done to it because they see this stock Duramax tailpipe, this bazooka or trumpet style tailpipe, whatever it is you want to call it, and they think that it is just a completely stock compliant truck. However, that is not the case, and when we did the exhaust work, I chose to just do the 4-inch piping, and it pretty much just used like the factory tailpipe that you see on the truck. And I definitely wanted to get rid of that because I got a brand new exhaust tip to use, and I did not get the ability to use that exhaust tip because we stayed and we had to use the factory tip there. And if you cut that tip off, it's going to be way too short and not come out where it needs to come out at. So unfortunately, there's a company called PPE, Pacific Performance Engineering. They've got a little kit out, and this is for anybody's Duramax. I think this is going to fit pretty much any Duramax out there that has that style of tailpipe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure everything's going to be the same. This is a 4-inch pipe, and what it is pretty much an elbow. Comes with a tip, comes with a pipe, comes with the V-band clamps, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the stock tailpipe portion, and we're going to clamp this up there and bolt this up here, and we're going to have a side exit exhaust to where you could use your exhaust tips and pretty much do with it whatever you want to. Now, it will look a whole lot better, in my opinion, with the tip coming out the side versus that stock Duramax tip, so I definitely can't wait to get this done. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, well, why would you spend your money on something like that? Because it does cost just a little under $200. But if you think about it, the tip itself probably cost about 60, 70 bucks, and the piping itself probably cost another, 40, 50. So the price really isn't that bad. Now, you guys might be saying, well, could have just taken it to an exhaust shop. You could have just had somebody custom make and fit an exhaust and weld it up. And that is definitely very true. I could have done that. But that kind of defeats the purpose of doing this kind of stuff yourself. One major thing that I saw in somebody else's video that I would like to point out with this style exhaust, if you see, it's pretty much shooting straight back, especially on the newer trucks. It even comes back even straighter. So if you have a trailer back here, say you've got an expensive cargo trailer, or you've got a trailer load of hay or something, and your truck goes through a regen, gets up to like 1500 degrees, that's all coming out of the exhaust. So you're taking a chance on warping your trailer or catching something on fire. That was a really good point that other video brought up, and that this is going to change it and make it a whole lot better. All right, just like that, we got this old trumpet Duramax signature tip off. Don't need that. I should just be able to slide this one. I'll put this somewhere different. Nicely like that. Something like that. Yep. All right, here is the brand new look. Now it looks like it actually has a custom exhaust on it with a nice polished tip coming out the side. That's so much better than that factory Duramax freaking trumpet tip or whatever they call that. So let's see what she sounds like. Actually, it is a little bit deeper. All right, and of course it is dark now, but This one is something super simple to do, and it completely enhances the look of the truck. I mean, this looks so much cleaner and so much just nicer coming out of the side with a polished tip instead of having that big bazooka tip. Plus the whole entire pipe and everything is all stainless steel, so it should last quite a while. So for 180 bucks, you get this little kit and completely just change up the look of your truck, whether or not it's deleted. It doesn't matter, and I do believe it works for both the LMLs and the L5Ps. Pretty sure anything with that exhaust on it, it's gonna work with. So if you guys are looking to change up your exhaust setup on your truck, this helped you out. I will link this part down below in the description. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please throw a like on there for me. Likes are very much appreciated. It really helps out the algorithm. And if you want to see more content about the LML Duramax and OBS Chevy trucks, hit that subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.